Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. I'm sure if you are part of the cryptocurrency space, you are, not even sleeping at this point because this is where the excitement really is felt. Times like this, literally since the US election has come to a conclusion, you are seeing obviously a president who supports crypto and the market reacting in a very, very positive way. And we are seeing pretty much double digit gains for altcoins day in, day out. If you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, you're really starting to get the bigger picture as to how big of a move this really has been for the entire crypto space. But you're reading the title, we're going to be talking about Caspa. Shout out to the Caspa family. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. But looking at the markets, tremendous amount of green, as I've stated. A lot of coins are actually up double digits yet again. You're seeing Caspa up 25%. It did something we have been speaking about, and of course I'm going to get into detail when I pull out the charts. The visuals explains everything we need to know. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 15.37 cents, up 23.8% in USD, and of course 17.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Absolutely crazy move for Kaspa. Very much needed, of course, right? This has been some time since Kaspa has gone into these levels, but look at the market cap approaching $3.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 466 million. And a lot of people are going to come out and say, hold up, 24-hour trading volume, we've never seen it this high. And to be quite frank with you, it's been quite rare to see Caspa sitting in this much in terms of trading volume. Is Grayscale buying? Because of course we know Grayscale has shown interest in Caspa. And here we are, guys. Now that the prices are looking good and we did cross a certain specific level, I'm not going to come here and sit and say it's bearish. But when it's bearish, I will continue to say that no matter what coin it is. It's not only, I don't only go after Caspa, every single project. If the price itself is bearish, I will come out and say that. And that is the beauty of, keeping it unbiased. If you're going to be biased, what's the point of doing these analysis updates? But a big move. A lot of people are still frustrated in terms of why you're not seeing the likes of Binance, you're not seeing the likes of Coinbase. And to be quite frank with you, it still doesn't make any sense. But are we going to see that finally happen now after this move? Is this move specifically based off of an exchange buying, or is this based off of Grayscale buying? We've seen what happened when Sui Trust came out. So imagine if Grayscale comes out and launches a Caspa Trust. Are we going to see a similar price pattern? These are some good questions to be asking. But if you're looking at the dominance index, it's still sitting at about 58.7%. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is actually going up. And remember, I've told you guys this before: when Bitcoin goes up and dominance remains down or even goes lower, altcoins are going to go absolutely insane. And here we are, last 24 hours tells you everything you need to know. Speaking about the confirmation that I talk about all the time, this is the confirmation that you can really see. So Bitcoin yet again, and not only is it at an all-time high, guys, Bitcoin is sitting at a staggering $80,000 USD price point. And I know, to be quite frank with you right now, my brain is thinking that I'm very underexposed in crypto, but that's the reality. That's just the reality. That's the feeling that everyone's gonna get. But always remember, don't let the emotions get the best of you, because what a lot of people will do is, let's say you guys have savings that you need for personal use and you put it into crypto. Don't do that. Always invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot stress this enough, because it's just very, very important. Please never invest your life savings into crypto. But anyhow, if you're looking at Caspa, guys, beautiful move. But that's not what I want you guys to look at. Where are we right now? Let's kind of settle down. Let's kind of relax right now. Let's understand where we are for the price of Caspa. We're in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and your boy Crypto ZX has been sounding like a broken record tape over the course of the last 3 months. I've been stating, the resistance at the 13.5 cents is the first stop. It's like the bare minimum where you want to see the price of Caspa sitting at. But I said, in order for us to get the excitement, 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is where we need to be. And as of now, you are seeing the morning of Sunday, you're seeing the price of Kaspa obviously reacting to the overall market momentum. But we're in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Absolutely madness. We actually went up to 16.2 cents, a massive wick. And you could really see this for yourself, the significance of a closing above that key resistance. I told you guys in the previous update, we want to see that confirmation. We want to see that close above there. And if we're able to do that, I think, major moves can happen with the momentum that we're seeing. And you could clearly see this for yourself. Kaspa went up 21% after breaking out of this key resistance. So if you want to put this into perspective from just a few days back, November 9th, just like in the last 24 hours, you can pretty much say the Kaspa is up 50%. This is crypto, guys. This is crypto. And of course, now I'm not going to sit here and say, Kaspa is looking bearish. Absolutely not. We're in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Absolutely amazing stuff. So what you want to see Kaspa doing, and I don't want to pull out the hourly time frame. Doesn't really make sense right now. Actually, hold on. Let's take a look at the hourly for a second. Of course, it's not going to load for us. Here we are. Hourly time frame here. Beautiful, beautiful. So after we bounced, broke out of this key resistance, remember this key resistance was very important because now we broke out of here, brought in a lot of excitement. Bitcoin pushed towards a new all-time high, and Caspa really saw a significant move. So look at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. That actually played as a level of support. Really nice to see right here. This is a confirmation. These are the types of moves you want to see. So now what you want to pretty much see is, of course, the great thing for Kaspa would be is to go higher, to get into the 61.8 for the first time since September 30th. But what you want to see right now is remaining within the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So trading sideways around this range and closing the daily candle around this. If it's able to do that, I think Kaspa could start pushing to the likes of the 17.36, and that is the moment of truth zone. Because if we're able to break out of here, I think Kaspa starts moving towards all-time highs quite fast. And here we are, this is how fast the market moves. This is how fast the market moves. And what you want to be thinking right now, to be quite frank with you, is Bitcoin and the dominance going down. And these are the things that a lot of people forget. You don't want to be forgetting, and you want to understand how these things really work. And these are a huge catalyst behind the move for specific altcoins. And now Kaspa is kind of leveling itself, because if we're looking at it the last 1 week, Kaspa was the lagging indicator, right? And now you're actually seeing it balancing out with the broader market, which is really nice to see. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support from the bottom of my heart. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.